Hey! This facility is reserved for Captain Mainstream Jerkwater. I mean Darkwater. Fix me a drink, and ye may pass. It's simple. I give you the ingredients in an unnecessarily cryptic and bizarre fashion. You step on the dispenser switches in the proper order. Got it? A bit of the bubbly, a chill to the bone. Top it with a twister, and send a happy pirate home. Slightly bitter aftertaste. Proper amount of snogs, trout. A fine point indeed. Well done. All right, here's your next drink. A dash of a cyclone, a drop of hot fire. A wee bit of bubbly makes an honest man a liar. Zesty lemon liqueur, proper brain cell to grog cell ratio. You did it again, sir. Ye may be Darkwater after all. All right, here's your last drink. A pinch of lover's greed, a dash of winter's sorrow. Top it off with golden sun, and bid thee fair good morrow. A little on the sour side, yet the dash of worm stool makes it blissfully reminiscent of a fine Chateau Viasante. You did it, sir! Welcome home! Allow me to fetch you the steps.
One more puzzle and we're in. Casting a strange shadow on the wall.
May a shadow be cast of a face from the past. Building tension. Correct! Ye may pass.
Just a minute there, Captain Darkwater. Perhaps you'd be so kind as to prove yourself by demonstrating your skill with a blade.
There it is. The Fulcrum Star! Oh, crap.
Watch your step there, laddie. X doesn't always mark the spot.
A fair good tomorrow, young lumbax. I pray God preserve ye from the pythors and their bellies. And don't worry, we'll take good care of your fair Sally.